How to create Temu account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to Login Helps, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can create a Temu account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to download the Temu application. You can download the application from the Play Store, or you can simply continue through the web page or website of Temu through any browser in your device. After you open up the Temu application, you will get to see this interface in your mobile device. Now to create or to register on Temu, tap on U icon from the bottom of this interface. Under this page, tap on Sign In or Register button. Now, you can either create an account with Google account, Facebook account, or with your email or with your phone number. So if you like to create an account with phone number, tap on Continue with phone number, and then you have to enter your correct phone number along with your country code. Then you have to tap on this checkbox for your agreement. Once that, tap on Continue, and it's gonna ask you for the verification code which will be sent in your device. Provide your verification code. After that, you will be logged in with your account that you have created recently. Or if you like to continue with email, select the email or continue with email button, enter your email address. Then it might ask for you to enter your password as well. Now for the verification, you might receive a verification code. Provide the verification code, and after that you will be directly logged into Temu with your new account. So that's how you can simply create a Temu account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.